If your Lyft account has been restricted, you may want to appeal the decision. This guide will walk you through the steps to effectively submit your appeal. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account details, any communication from Lyft about the restriction, and any evidence that supports your case. Step 2. Access the Help Center. Visit the Lyft Help Center on their website or app. Look for the section related to account restrictions or appeals to find specific guidance on how to proceed. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Follow the instructions to submit your appeal. Fill out the required forms with accurate information, clearly explaining why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 4. Be patient. After submitting your appeal, allow some time for Lyft to review your case. This process may take a few days, so be patient while waiting for a response. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up with Lyft's support team. Provide any additional information they may need to assist with your appeal. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Lyft requires careful preparation and patience. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of a successful appeal.